I think this will create a tornado higher than 6 feet. This goes without saying. Do not try this at home. All right, here we go. Oh, it's burning. Oh, yes. We ready for the fans? Here we go. Fire, tornado. Oh, yo, that's getting so tall. All right, let's just do some micro adjustments here. Oh my gosh, this is getting so tall. Yo, that's huge. That's the biggest fire tornado I've ever seen. This is the power of science, guys. Wow. I hope you enjoyed this one. Click here to watch more science experiments and click here to watch a video that YouTube thinks you'll love. Woo.